Bar models. In fourth grade, we do a lot of word problems, and we provide strategies for the students to use to help them solve the word problems. Today, we're going to be talking about bar models. Bar models are a way of visualizing the addition or subtraction problem that a child will need to solve in order to be successful with a word problem. Let's have a look. During a readathon, students read 6,473 pages. At a second readathon, students read 650 more pages than at the first. How many pages did the students read at the second readathon? In order to solve this, we begin by underlining the question that we're asked to solve. This helps keep students focused on the work that they need to do, and it also provides a check when they get an answer at the end. Does it answer the question they're actually asked about? So a bar model is a way of visualizing this problem. What we know is during the first readathon, the students read a certain number of pages. So we're going to draw a bar, just a box here to represent that. And at the second readathon, the students read some pages as well. They read more than at the first. So we're going to draw our bar a little bit longer than the first to indicate that the first readathon, they read this amount. At the second, they read this amount, which happens to be a little bit longer. The difference is this, and the problem tells us what the difference is. In this case, it's 650 pages. And we also know that on the first readathon, students read 6,473 pages. What we don't know is how many pages they read at the second one. So visualizing the problem, to find out the number of pages for the second readathon, it's the first readathon and 650 pages. And as soon as we see that, we know that this is going to be an addition problem. So we take the number of pages from the first readathon, we add to it the number of pages from we add to it how many more pages were read in the second readathon. Notice how I've lined up on the ones place, not on the thousands place. That is critical that students are lining up on the ones place. We add these together, so we have our two add-ins. Now we are trying to figure out the sum. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. Put down the 2, carry the 1 and circle it. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. Carry the 1. 1 and 6 is 7. We go back and put it in our comma. So let's see. How many pages did the students read at the second readathon? Well, we have a number now, and students should report this in a sentence. The students read, and now we're going to our number, 7,123 pages at the second readathon. Period. Bar models are a way of visualizing the problem that needs to be solved. Often fourth graders will read this and they'll get lost in, is this an addition problem? Is this a subtraction problem? Is it a multiplication problem? And so forth. And what they sometimes revert to is, well, we've been doing addition recently, so this is an addition problem, when in fact it may be a subtraction problem. By drawing out the problem here, it helps the students zero in on the kind of work they need to do. And in this case, it was an addition problem. Skill is bar models. This is a strategy we use in 4th grade to solve word problems.